Still September 16th, but I got to show you this. State bird is a roadrunner. We're still at that same rest area. Sky continues to be really pretty. There's your sunset. Isn't that cool? Yeah, this little camera doesn't do it justice. Anyway, I decided to come over here and look at this roadrunner. He's made out of just basically scrap stuff. A set of crutches there. The side of them is all a bunch of electronic gear. There's, I can see a bicycle handle there. And his body is all shoes, tennis shoes. You gotta love it. Just gotta love it. Yeah, so I hope you can see that, but shoes, electronic gear, there's a couple of golf clubs there. Sometimes I like art, sometimes I don't like art. There's the moon, by the way, isn't that cool? But there is a state bird. It's funny. And just a gorgeous sunset. Holy cow. It's one thing I always loved about when I lived here, the sunsets.